Welcome to my channel. The human body is truly amazing. It's capable of some incredible things like healing itself from injuries and even growing new tissue. And it does all this without us even thinking about it. But have you ever stopped to think about how your body actually works? Like what's happening inside of you right now? You are full of different systems that work together to keep you alive. These systems are made up of different organs that do different jobs. It's like the body's air conditioning system. The respiratory system is made up of the lungs, trachea, and diaphragm. When you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating a negative pressure in the chest cavity. This sucks air in through the trachea and into the lungs. The lungs are where the magic happens. They're like two big sponges that take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. And today, we're going to learn about some of the most amazing human body systems explained. This system is like the body's waste disposal system. It's made up of the kidneys, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are like two big filters that remove waste products from the blood and turn them into urine. The bladder is like a storage tank for urine, and the urethra is like a pipe that carries urine out of the body. First, let's talk about the nervous system. Like when you eat a meal, your digestive system breaks it down and your circulatory system delivers the nutrients to the rest of the body. Your nervous system tells your body how to respond to what's going on around you. And your respiratory system makes sure that you have enough oxygen to keep going. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. This system is like the body's control center. It's made up of the brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves in the body, like the skeletal system that gives your body support and protects your organs. The muscular system that allows you to move, the endocrine system that produces hormones that control how cells work, and the lymphatic system that helps fight off infections. This system is responsible for breaking down the foods you eat into nutrients that the body can absorb and use. Click here to learn about what causes hiccups and why do we sleep. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. It's made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is like a pump that keeps the blood flowing. Blood vessels are like the roads that the blood travels on. And the blood itself is like the car that carries important materials throughout the body. The circulatory system delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body and removes waste products. It also helps regulate body temperature and fight off infections. It's like a factory that turns raw materials into finished products. The digestive system is made up of different organs, each with its own job to do. For example, the stomach uses acids and enzymes to break down food. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from food and passes them along to the bloodstream. And finally, the large intestine absorbs water and forms solid waste. The brain is like the captain of the ship. It sends signals to the rest of the body telling it what to do. For example, if you touch something hot, your brain sends a signal to your hand to pull away. The nervous system also allows you to feel things like pain, pleasure, and emotions. Nerves are like the body's electrical wires. They carry messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body. Next, let's take a look at the digestive system. Now let's dive into the circulatory system. This system is like the body's transportation network. Let's not forget the respiratory system. This system is responsible for taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Finally, let's talk about the excretory system. All of these systems work together to keep the body running smoothly. But there are even more systems in the body that are just as important. Do you want to know more about the human body?